Welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Love. I'm here with baby Kassie. I'm gonna be giving this good little dress and ready for the day. Come, baby Kassie. Ah, yeah. I already changed the diaper not too long ago, but I will check. But let's go get you an outfit, okay? Should we do that? I know, baby. Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, yeah. That's so sweet. Loves kiwing to mommy, huh? Yes. I know it. Mommy needs to go get you an outfit. Okay? Okay? Okay, you be good, okay? Okay, well, I did get this little outfit. This is the outfit that she came in. I'm gonna put on her, and I thought because it is white in the outfit, so I'm gonna go get a white little headband and see if I have little cute little like white socks or to match it. Cause the yellow boots that she came in and the hat, they are cute, but I see that more as a winter look, the boots and stuff. But I figured, yeah, put the little outfit that she came in. Huh. But let's see, I want to go, find, not fine, but yeah, get like a white little headband. Huh, little baby Kassie. Let's go check that. Okay, yeah, let's get a white headband and see about socks as well. Yeah, here's a little white little headband. Go with it because that is white in the outfit that I got. And here's little white booties. No booties, but socks. Perfect. So let's go get baby Kassie all just ready for the day. Baby Kassie, what are you doing, little girl? Are you hugging the teddy bear foot, huh? Huh, little girl? Mommy got you a white headband and mommy got you some white socks. Should we change you? Huh? Get you dressed for the day? Yeah, like I said, I did change it not too long ago, but I will check. Okay, did mom get stinky or is it wet? Actually, no. It's not even wet. It's not even wet, baby Kassie. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I want to put this outfit back on her and actually see it says summer an outfit for like shorts or I know. Or can't you use it in the winter as well? I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Yeah. Huh, baby Kassie. Yeah, we'll have a good weekend, huh? I think it's meant for, because if you look at it, yeah, it's not even all the way up, and that's pants right there. So I think this is meant for a shorts. Come here, baby Kassie. Yeah, they just, yeah. So now I know when the weather does change and gets cold, this outfit is more for, summer. Yeah, I should have checked when I did that, her first changing. I should have checked then, but it's like, I'll check next time she goes the outfit. Yeah, if you think about it, singing in the rain, I wasn't quite sure. So, yeah, it's more of a summer outfit. So we got to wear this as much as possible then, before the cold comes. Not complaining though, I cannot wait until the rain and cold days start coming. You want to kind of put on your side here, so Monica button? There's one button. There's two buttons. The last button. Mommy has the last button to do. There. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it's more of a shorts outfit. So now I know when it gets up, that when winter comes, it gets, cold. I know this outfit, it's too cold, this outfit. Yeah. Oh, I know, baby. And you want to put on cute little white socks? It's just white in the outfit. The boots right now. And the hat will, too hot. Aww. Well, how is she looking? She's almost done. I got a white headband. Yeah, I had to hurry up because I knew she's right here. Okay, mix it up. Cutie pie, Kassie. There we go. Okay, how does she look? Whoa, come to mommy? Come to mommy a second. Okay, well, how does she look? Yeah, I wanted to check to see if this is, because I wasn't paying attention on her first changing on this outfit, if it was, for pants or shorts. But as you see, it's more like a summer outfit. So when the cold starts coming, you have to be weighed, huh? But I can't wait for the, the hot to go. We do have, it's not so hot today. We do have, it's nice and sunny out. We do have a breeze. But yeah, don't have the air conditioner on today, so yeah, huh? But she's all good, huh, baby Kassie? Yes, I know. I know. You want to take over a second? She loves to take over, but better be. Cute. What are you doing now, baby Kassie? Oh. How cute. Are you done? Well, she's all done. Yeah, I just wanted to get on and yeah, get her ready for the day. Get her all dressed, and I wanted to see again about this outfit, if it was, because singing in the rain, I didn't know if it was meant to be like a winter outfit or a summer, and it does turn out, it does summer, yeah. But the yellow boots that she came with, that's winter, and the hat. So I got a little headband and little socks. But no, I hope you enjoyed this, little changing. Like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss video once it's uploaded. If you want, she'll end the video, so I don't mind. But yeah, I guess it gets good. Do a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.